Revisions can require different numbering schemes based on how they are used in the model. For example, you may have one sequence of revisions related to errors and omissions on construction documents, and another sequence of revisions related to owner changes. To accommodate these needs, create custom numbering schemes for revisions in your model. To add revision sequences to your model, on the View tab, click Revisions. In the Revision dialog, assign the values to the revision sequences. In this example, we will add 3 revisions. The first and the fourth revision are going to be general updates to the construction documents, and the second and third revision are owner-issued changes. You want to use different numbering schemes for the different sources of the changes. The updates to construction documents will use a numeric sequence, but your office standards require a 3-digit number for revisions. Highlight the first revision sequence and click Numbering. Select Numeric and click Edit to make a change to the scheme. In the dialog, set the number of digits to 3 and set the starting number to 101. Click OK. While you are still in the dialog, make a new scheme for the owner changes. Click New. Enter a name for the new scheme. We will set this scheme to use the alphanumeric sequence. The custom sequence is now available to make any changes. In this case, we will accept the default. Provide a prefix to indicate the changes are owner changes. Then click OK twice. Now you see the changes made to the numeric numbering schemes. Change the second and the third sequence numbering to the Custom Owner Changes scheme, and see how the revision number changes to match the scheme. Use custom revision numbering schemes to add flexibility when working with model revisions.